Oh! Here, let's put this back. Here.
Let's see the funny things that Dad is doing here.
Here, let's put the guy up here. He's getting pretty tall. Oh! Why are you laughing so hard? You're drooling.
Oh gosh, you can't even
Here
breathe.
you go. Here, should we put this on top? Should we put it?
There you go.
There you go. Should we put this here? Should we? Wow, what a tower! But what if this happens?
Yeah, that's a really good tower.
Oh!
Is your daddy funny?
Lola, yeah. Hi, Lola. Do you want to pet Lola? Yeah, nice pets. Hey, where's Lola's ears? Yeah, there we go. Where's Lola's nose? Nose. Yeah. Just like hold still.
I know.
Hold still. Hey, where's Lola's eyes?
So mean to Lola.
No.
That's, you got her nose. That's
Yep,
good.
yeah. Where's her eyes? No, she won't. She won't let you. She'll have to roll over. That's okay. Lola?
Yeah, Ollie's here too. That was so funny, kiddo. You laughed so hard. Oh, we're just
We're
gonna.
just gonna back up, take Ollie's spot. Did you want this over here with you, or oh, you want your blankie? Should we do one more? Should we do one more tower? Should we build it up?
What do you think we should put at the top of the tower? Should we put a rooster up at the top? Should we put a rooster up?
Hey, what's the rooster say?
That's right. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Hey, yep.
Oh, yep, that's the
There's
that's the
Daddy.
screen. Hey, Evie. What if this happened though?
Uh-oh. Evie, look.
Oh!
She wants to watch you in the
You
camera.
want to watch it on the screen? Should I do it again? No, I'm just starting the show. Oh!
Okay.
Yep. Hi. Hi.
There's Dad. See, he's right in there.
How you
Why
doing?
don't you go over by him? This is a big smile.
Gonna grin? Sure.
Look, it's the same guy
Yeah.
in real life.
Oh, and it's Mr.
Oh, it's Ollie.
Hey, everybody. My name's Ollie. I'm on camera. Yeah, nice. Oh, you gonna give Ollie a hug? Sure.
Oh,
Ollie doesn't always want hugs.
don't hit him with your blanket. You gotta stop taking my camera. I can't get any pictures of you. Hey. 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 Whoa. Boom. Hey, where's Evie? Where's Evie? Where's Evie? Come on, there she is. What do you
Where'd
say?
she go? Oh no, where's my daughter? Oh, there you are.
You gotta say, oh.
Oh.
Wait. Where's Evie? I don't see Evie. Where did she go?
Oh.
There she is! Whoa! Oh! Here it goes.
Oh.
It'd be easier to do if you were sitting
Yeah,
up.
it would be. Do you want me to do it? There, you got it. Okay, I'll do it.
You do
I'll
it.
do it here. But it's getting a little tall and a little unsteady. What might happen? Oh! Oh, she just kicked you in the toe?
Yeah.
Ouch.
Ow! Let's do some more animal noises. What does a horse say? That's right. Very good. What? Where are your toes? That's right. Those are your toes. Good job.
Where's your head?
Oh, she knows this
Oh, I
one.
know.
We've been doing this one for like a year. Where's your nose? You're very good. Hey, what does a cat say?
Ow!
Yeah. What does an elephant say? That's right. Hey, where are you going? You gonna sit on my lap? It's really hard to take video of you when you do that. Hi. Oh,
Oh, not.
what's my name?
Mama!
That's right. Who's that guy?
Who am I?
Dada!
That's Dada. That's right. And what's your name?
Who are you?
We gotta look at the camera.
Hey, what did the monkey say?
You gotta practice this for Halloween.
Yeah, what's the monkey say?
Ouch! 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 Hey, you! What does a monkey say?
Ay!
That's
Yeah,
Ollie.
Ollie.
That's right.
Not too happy there.
No, those are sad sounds
Yeah.
for somebody who was just laughing so hard.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, you're gonna get your animal book. That's
Hey,
right.
What's this? Doesn't matter. I want to.
No, we're doing it together. Sorry,
Okay.
Dad.
Sure. You guys go do it. I can
All
take
right.
you if you want.
Yeah, sure. Why don't you do that? That makes more sense.
All right,
All
everybody.
right, ready? Let's do it. What's this? Kitty cat. What is this?
Dada!
Cock-a-doodle-doo! It's a rooster. And what is this one?
Dada!
Butterfly. All right, we got some birds. Do you know what this one is? What are you doing? Oh, wait. We got lots on this page, you know. What's that one? What is it? What is it?
This thing is, I think she's kind of slap happy and tired for some reason.
Yeah, she's totally. Okay, let's just do a couple animals quick and then we're gonna go. All right? What is this one? No. What is this one?
What's that?
What is that? What?
Dada!
Zebra.
Zebra.
That's right. And what is this? Snake. Good. And let's see. I don't think you know skunk. Do you know skunk? That one's a skunk. What's this?
Daddy!
Doggy. That's the easy one. You got a lot of those. What's this? Chicks. Beep. Yeah, what's this one? Chip chip.
Yep. That's what the chickies say.
This is a bunny. Oh, the bunny. Yeah, it's an elephant. That's right. We just saw an elephant. Let's see. What else do we have in here? Oh, fish.
Fish,
Yeah.
fish.
And what's this one? That's a dolphin, but it looks like a fish there. What's this one? What's this? No. What's this one? You know this one. It's a turtle. Can you say turtle?
Dada!
Yeah, turtle. Where is the turtle? Point to it. That's right. Very good. You're good at pointing to him. Where's the dolphin? That's right. Where's the starfish? This one's hard. It looks like a star. Very good.
Yeah, nice
and hey,
job.
what's this one? Do you know?
Dada!
Crocodile. Good job. You know lots of animals. Do you know which one is the giraffe? Bah. Which one is a giraffe?
Oh, jeez. In your face.
You. Oh, that's your face. Oh, what a big girl you are.
Hey, kiddo, can you say bye-bye?
La Bye.
Bye-bye.
Say adios.
No.
Adios.